Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. And yes, I am here on my roof and it's very cold weather, but the sun is out, so it's not a feeling so cold and I feel very happy here. Shiny, bright day. So yes, I thought why not create a video on this place. So I feel very happy here, and you can see the Dobby. Hey Dobby, he's always with me actually when I come on my roof, so he comes with me. Okay, so let's talk about something in English, and in this video I'm going to share with you a very common problem, and the problem most of the people are facing right now. And the problem like this, ma'am, how did you learn this language? And because when I started to speak in English, so I feel blank, I forget some words, I don't know how to say some words in this perfect situation. So please tell me some reason behind this problem, and also please give me some solution. So friends, don't worry, in this video I'm going to share with you some reason behind this problem, why it is happening with you, and also I'm going to give you some solution. How can you overcome of this type of problem? And all the suggestion which I'm going to share with you in this video depend on my experience, okay? Because in this video I'm going to share with you how did I overcome from this type of problem. Like my mind goes blank when I try to speak in English in front of the people, okay? So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me wish to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video, okay friends? So let's get into the topic. Okay, so the problem like this, ma'am, my mind goes blank when I try to speak in English. Okay, so the very first reason behind this problem, you are thinking like you have a lack of vocabulary, so that's why it is happening with you. You are thinking like this, but my dear friend, I just want to tell you one thing, like it's not true. Actually, it's not true. You have enough vocabulary in your mind, in your memory, but what happened when we try to speak a secondary language, because English is not our native language and this is a secondary language, so we are not habitual to speak in English, okay? We really verily we use some sentences, in 2 or 3 sentences in our daily life, because we have no one with whom we can easily do practice in English, with whom we can easily do conversation in English. So that's why it is happening with us, because actually we have enough amount of vocabulary in our memory, but without having practice, we feel like, okay, I forget some words, I feel blank when I try to speak in English. So yes, this is the reason behind your problem. Vocabulary is not your reason. The reason is behind your problem, hesitation. I mean to say, you have not practiced in speaking in this language in front of the people, so that's why it is happening with you. And when I was learning this language, so yes, I felt shy when someone asked me some question in English, when someone said some some words mix up in Hindi, and I felt very shy. Okay, if I use some words in speaking terms, so what if my pronunciation will mistake, what if I will do many mistakes in English? So yes, other people will laugh at my English. So yes, I was thinking like you, that you are thinking right now. And yes, I thought this was my biggest mistake. Actually, this was my biggest mistake that I was thinking at that time. But when I realized after some time, okay, I have enough amount of vocabulary in our memory, because I read this language as a subject in our schooling time. Then why it is happening with me? Why I felt embarrassed in front of the people, in front of someone who talked to me in English in our very easy sentences? Why I felt? Then I realized, okay, I have not practiced in this language language. So that's why it is happening with me, because I was Hindi medium student, so I have not practiced. That's why. Now when I realized this thing, so I started to speak in English with me, because I had no one with whom I can practice in English. So I started to find some different kind of methods. How can I overcome of this type of problem? So I found, okay, there is only one solution of this problem. Like, okay, you need to you need to practice in English. You need to speak in English, okay? No matter what, if you feel okay, you are making mistakes in English, so it's not a big deal. Actually, what happened when we are learning new languages or new skill, not our languages or new skill. So if we make some mistakes in English or in any skill, so it is a part of learning, okay? It's a part of learning, and that means we are learning new skill, okay? If we are making mistakes, so don't feel hesitate while speaking English that you are making mistakes in English. Try to speak in English, okay? Do mistakes, 100 mistakes, thousands mistakes, but please do mistakes. Without making mistakes, you can't learn this language. So this is the first thing that you have, you should keep that in your mind, okay? Now, so if you are thinking like, okay, vocabulary is my problem and I have a lack of vocabulary in my memory, so that's why it is happening with me. So it's not true. Now let's move on. Second thing that is very important, and that is, you are thinking too much about perfection. You are thinking like, okay, if I will perfect in English, then I will speak in English. So you are always thinking like this, and because of this thing, you are not able to speak in English. And if you are not practicing English by speaking, so how can you learn this language? You can't learn this language without doing practice, okay? You are thinking, okay, when I will perfect in English, when I will know some grammar rules, then I will start speaking English. So it's not going to help you, believe me, because there is a difference between knowing and doing. You are knowing some grammar rules, okay, but you are not doing. I mean to say, you are not speaking. So yes, these are some different pillars: knowing but not doing. So how can you learn this language? You can't learn this language. You can't. Because yes, there is a different thing, theory and practical. If you are not making practice, if you are not follow some practice rule, some practice conversation, so how can you fluent in English? You can't fluent in English. So for this, you need to just start speaking English, okay? There is a problem like you have no one with whom you can practice in English. You are thinking like this. So I know there are most of the people, they have a same type of problem like you have, that ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English. Still I had no one when I was starting learning this language. Yes, I had no one, and yes, I learned this language by own self, by doing practice, by following different kind of method like shadowing, mirror technique, record my videos, and listening, reading, writing. Yes, I followed all the methods, and when I feel okay, I can easily do some conversation in English, then I started using some free apps. Like I have shared with you two apps, and these are free apps like PeerUp and CV. Yes, you can use these types of apps when you feel okay, I can give some little conversation in English, then try to use these types of app. And there is a best thing is that there is no one who can judge you. So do mistakes, 100 and 1000 mistakes, but if you are making mistakes, that means you are learning this language. And yes, all the mistakes are going to improve your English fluency. You realize, okay, I made a mistake here, so second time I should not make these types of mistakes again, okay? So yes, in this way you can easily overcome of this type of problem, like my mind goes blank when I try to speak in English. And the final thing is that okay, there are most of the people, they have a lots of book in their self, and lots of knowledge about grammar rules, but but when it comes to speak, so they hesitate, because you know they are just consuming lot of rules in their mind, and they are not using their some grammar rules in speaking terms. So that's why they are not able to speak in English. And I know some people actually they haven't knowledge about some grammar rules, but they can easily speak in English in front of the people. So yes, knowing and doing, there is a big difference between two pillars. And yes, if you know some grammar rules and you are practicing along with grammar rules, so yes, you can easily speak in English in a correct way. So yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. And if you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next time. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.